Welcome to the farm. And on this farm, we had a cow and a calf. A calf is a baby cow. We also had a horse on this farm and its baby foal. A foal is a baby horse. We also had a goose on this farm, and its baby is a gosling. A gosling is a baby goose. On this farm, we also had a sheep and a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. On this farm, we also had a pig and its piglet. A piglet is a baby pig. What is your favorite farm animal?